Let's make UK Garage. Let's set the tempo at 134 BPM and start with a kick from a sample pair. Then some snares. Some close hi-hats. Some open hi-hats. Some percussion. And some shakers. Now let's increase the swing of these drums to give them that classic garage groove. Then let's add some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. And quick note, if you use the discount code HOLIDAY on any of the sample packs on my store, you can get 15% discount during December. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we gotta find some good vocals to work with. Now let's add some pads to fit those vocals. Let's sidechain them to the kick using a limiter. And use EQs to get rid of the unwanted frequencies. Now let's add a fat bass. Let's sidechain this. Make this mono. And use EQ to take down the highs. And compress the low end. Then we need some wobbly bass shots. I'll just take down lows from this and pan this. Then I'll use this Reese bass to add some crunchy texture to the track. I'll just sidechain this and turn down lows. Now we need some really groovy chords. I'll use shaper box to give this a forward flow sidechain effect. Then EQ to take down lows. Then we need some smooth pianos. Now let's add some synths to support the vocals. Then some plucks. And some sequence sounds to keep the track interesting. And I'll take down the lows from there. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a simple soul lead. Since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start the intro with drums except the shakers and add the pads. At the next 8 bars, let's add the plucks and the wobbly bass. Then let's introduce the vocal with a filter. Let's use this scratch to transition into the build-up. Moving on to the build-up, let's add the chords and the sequence. And let's add some build-up drums. Then some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. I'll add this drill vocal at the break.
Yeah.
And add some filler leads. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.